Hey everyone, welcome to day one of the 30 days Code Forces challenge. As I mentioned in the announcement video, the goal is simple 30 days, 5 problems every day, 150 problems solved together. Today we solved our first 5 problems and I will quickly walk you through the logic behind each one. Problem 1, helpful math. In this problem, we are given numbers in a string separated by plus. For example, if we give input 3 plus 2 plus 1, we will have the 1 plus 2 plus 3. Means our task is to sort the numbers and print them again in the same format. So what I did first was the uh, was input string. Take input string and then split the input string by the plus character and then sort it out and join the sorted array with plus character by the join method and print the result. Let's move on the second problem called boy or girl. For this problem, in this problem we get a username and we need to count how many distinct characters it contains. If the number of unique characters is even, we print chat with her. If it is odd, we print ignore him. To solve this, I used Python's set function because set automatically here I use set function because set automatically removes duplicate characters. Then I checked it if the length is uh, if I check if the length is even or odd. If it's odd, then I print ignore him, and if the uh, length is even, then I print chat with her. Okay, let's move on the third problem, which is called capitalization problem. And in this problem, we need to capitalize the first letter of any word we give. Like if we give hello, then it should capitalize the first word and say hello. Okay, to solve this problem I take input as a string and using slicing um I make the to untouched part, and using the bracket notation I take the first character of the word, and then using capitalize method I capitalize the word. I capitalize the character, not a word, sorry, slip of tongue. And then in result I combine the capitalized character and untouched word, and finally I print it out. Okay, let's move on the fourth problem of our day, and it's a little bit little bit chaotic problem. In this problem we can call it a soldier banana problem in court forces. In this problem we have to give input as the three integer numbers. Like first one is the price or initial price of a banana, and secondly I have to give the total amount the soldier have, and finally I should give how many bananas the soldier want to buy. And the the court should calculate the amount of money the soldier should borrow or should borrow from others to buy the bananas. So for solving this problem, at first